Guys, welcome back to Jimmy's Garage. Today is my lucky day because I just found this snowblower for free on the side of the road. It's a 5-horse, 22-inch clearing path made by MTD. Not sure how old it is. It's got to be at least 20 years old. But upon the first walk around, everything seemed to be complete. It's still got the key here. Your choke is working. Your throttle is working there. The plug's in there. I did check the gas. It does have fuel and it does have oil, although dirty. So, the only thing I saw on this is that the recoil is a little bit wonky. So, after trying to get it to grab, the motor does turn, which means the motor's free, which means we can probably get this thing going. So, let's see what we can do with this guy. All right, so we have fuel in the tank. We know the motor turns over. I just pulled the spark plug, and it doesn't look terrible. It's a little worn. You can probably clean that up. But then you want to check for fuel going to the bowl. So I'm going to show you guys how to check that real quick. So underneath in the bottom of the carb, you have 2 screws. You have your air fuel mixture screw, and then you have a little drain valve right here. So if you push this, as you can see, fuel just came out. That's how you know if fuel is getting to the bowl. All right, so we got fuel, we got oil. The spark plug looks decent. So I'm going to prime this guy up, put the choke on, and see if we can get it to fire up. Well, that's pretty awesome that it fired right up for a free snowblower on the side of the road. But the only problem is that the auger is not actuating when I pull the lever. So that means right underneath here is while your belt is driven onto the pulleys that drive the auger. So I'm going to pop this off and we're going to take a look and see what's going on in there. All right, so I popped the cover off here and you can clearly see that the drive belt right here has come off. So I'm gonna see if I can get this thing back on and see if we can get the auger to engage. It does look like it could use a replacement. It's a little frayed, but let's get it back on and see if we can get the auger to turn. All right, guys, so I got a brand new auger belt on this thing. It cost me $7 at Tractor Supply Company. I didn't film putting the belt on, but if you would like to have a video on how to put a belt on, I'd be happy to make one. Just leave it in the comment section below and I'll do that. So to recap on this thing, I found it for free on the side of the road. All I did with it is I put some fresh gas in there. I did a thorough oil change. I adjusted the air fuel mixture screw on the bottom, which is this guy right here. Right here. I just had to turn that a little bit to give it a little bit more fuel. And then, like I said, a new belt on there and the thing's good to go. So I spent $10 probably in all materials, and I'm gonna ask probably $250 for this thing to get talked down to $200. So that is a good example of how to make money finding a free snowblower on the side of the road. Guys, smash that like button. Comment in the comment section below. Make sure you share, subscribe, please. And as always, thanks for watching the video and take care.